Day 21, graduation and maintenance. Your safety moment. If you finish this and feel an urge to now set 20 giant new goals, pause. Overloading is just another way to self-sabotage. Keep it simple. Well-being preparation. Take a moment. You've completed 21 days of focused attention on your habits. However messy it was, that's real work. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Your daily activity, lock it in. Today, you anchor what you've built and decide how you'll continue. List 10 wins from these 21 days, including tiny wins, showing up, doing the 1-minute version, changing your environment, catching a harsh thought. Write your habit non-negotiables. These are the small things you'll keep doing no matter what. For example, I will do the 1 to 2 minute version of my key habit at least 5 days per week. I will review my habits once a week using my template. When I miss a day, I will come back within 24 hours without a drama. Choose your ongoing supports, an accountability partner or group, calendar reminders, weekly review time, re-listening to key days of this program. Finally, write and say it out loud. I have completed 21 days of focused habit work. This is not the end, it's the foundation. I will keep my habits tiny, kind, and consistent. I will adjust, not abandon. So to close day 21, I'm not chasing perfection. I'm building patterns that my future self can live with. So a little bit from me, 21 days foundation of tiny habits is absolutely fantastic. But I'm 28 years sober, having been a rough sleeper, and I've had a career beyond my wildest dreams, and a life beyond my wildest dreams is what I experience today. And this is through consistent, tiny, positive habits as opposed to negative habits. So being aware of the negative habits and creating a positive habit to overwrite them helps reprogram your subconscious, helps reprogram your beliefs, helps reprogram your values. And I can tell you, if you put the effort in and you keep it tiny, life changes immensely. So if you've enjoyed this program, log back into my website and see what other programs I've got, or book a call with me and let's explore together how you can take this forward and change areas of your life that are currently challenging that you want to make more positive. Your outcomes are based on your habits. So if you want better outcomes personally or professionally, look to change your habits. So remember, be kind to yourself, be gentle on yourself, make sure you eat, make sure you hydrate, and make sure you get rest. And I wish you well going forwards.